Okay, so we actually, instead of use the Velcro that comes with it, we did the command strips so that it won't ruin the paint or anything, because in case we want to move it around and not permanently, yeah, you can. In case we want to move it around and not permanently keep it here. He is 4, so the gloves are a little bit big on him, but they were able to adjust well and tighten it well. Okay. He likes doing this thing. He was doing it on the ground for a while too, which worked out good. There is multiple different modes and levels and speeds. You want to put it kind of at the center of the kid's chest so that they can go up a little bit and down a little bit, so that it's not right where they jab, so that they have that reach. He really likes it, and he likes vibing to the beat and dancing to the beat. The 3 modes and 14 different levels. I like that it has like memory modes and stuff like that. Like, it's good for, you know, younger kids to help. He also likes keeping track of the score, which we have it upside down currently. So we could just easily, let me just turn it off here. And then because we did the command strips, we just can flip it around and stick it to the back of the board. I just put 2 on. You can put more than that, but I like the command strip idea just because, like I said, you could take it off of the sheetrock and remove it and put it anywhere without it ripping or affecting your paint job. You can also do the Bluetooth to this as well, and then it goes to the music. There's a button right here that you can push for Bluetooth, and then they have like the memory, the delete, and charging port right there. And then this is where the display is for the numbers. What? Let's see. Ooh, a 77. Thanks for the company for sending us this to review.